Welcome to our latest listing in the leafy suburb of Dunkeld West at a very upmarket apartment complex, very central, 10 key, an exclusive complex with very few units. It's not a lot. Welcome to the space. We've got our 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom space in this apartment. So welcome. Let me take you through the kitchen. You've got a fully fitted kitchen with Smeg appliances. We've got our stove over there. You've got your washing machine and your dryer. We have our fitted single door fridge as well. Very modern, sleek finishes, cupboard space enough. And you have an amazing little nook for your breakfast in those busy mornings just before you get up and you get busy with going to work. And then furthermore, coming through the lounge, you have your little dining space. You can prefer whether you're having your meals up on the little nook or you are seated down by the little dining area here where you have a 4-seater. Then coming through further into the lounge, you have your entertainment space where you can watch your TV, your favorite shows, and just have your relaxed afternoons or evenings seated into this area. What I really enjoy about this unit is that it is a ground floor unit and you have space downstairs to enjoy tranquil afternoons in the garden. Come on and join me outside and catch some sunshine. You have a 4-seater dining table, decent space that catches north-facing sun to entertain your guests during the days and on those evenings where you have great weather in Joburg. If you're having your guests over downstairs, they don't need to venture all the way upstairs. You've got your guest room down here, right between next to your kitchen and next to your lounge area. Come on and join me upstairs where we've got our bedrooms. We've got a very sleek wooden with glass and steel finished staircase, which looks very modern and sleek. Come on and join me upstairs. Very safe for you to make your way upstairs without having any difficulties. Welcome to the second floor of this lovely apartment. Come and join me. Let me take you through the main bedroom. As you walk in, you've got your ensuite bathroom just on your left with a fully fitted bath and a shower inside. Very spacious to allow you your mornings when you get ready. What I really enjoy about this bedroom as well is that it's not facing, so you actually able to soak up most of your sun and warmth from your natural sun. Enough lighting. You've got your aluminium with glass panes leading to the outside. You've got an amazing 2-sided cupboard space for his and hers if you prefer. And in the middle, you've got your working space where you can actually get working in a much more serene space and away from the traffic downstairs. You will get the space fully furnished the way that it is, so all you have to do is just move in with your luggage and settle in. Let me take you through to second bedroom space. Just down the hallway, you've got your second bathroom on your left. This would be used by either your guest that would be occupying your second bedroom or your child. The bathroom has got a shower and a cabinet, modern finishes. Decent size bedroom where you can fit in a study desk that's seated over there. You've got your double-sized bed, large cupboard space here, wall-to-wall cabinet, that you've got more space than you actually have in the other room, where you can fit in even additional storage of whatever you need to put into this cupboard that you have in your house. Extra linen, extra blankets, but very, very, very great space, cozy. All you have to do is just get your luggage and move in with your family. Now let's step outside and go see what else does the apartment block have to offer for us.
Upstairs at the pool and entertainment area, you've got your clubhouse, which has two parts to it. You have the indoor clubhouse that's got a station with cupboard space and plugging areas where you can entertain. It opens up with stackable sliding doors where you can extend the party onto the open deck. You can soak up wonderful sunshine if you've got a bigger crowd to entertain, or if you're just winding down a busy day. You have a lovely infinity pool, sparkling blue, to soak up and enjoy downtime and have leisurely swim during your afternoons. Capture some stunning views and soak up most of Joburg's sunshine. What I've just shown you is a 2-bedroom apartment in this well-kept, secure, modern, contemporary, very convenient complex in Dunkeld West. If you want to make this your home, get in touch with me. My name is Tseho from Luxlive Property Group. Do get in touch with me so I can show you what this place has to offer. Thank you. Bye.